yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself.
Big up.
Happy Wednesday, kings and queens. Yes. Yes. Good night to one and all. Good morning, good evening.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever it may be for you.
Yeah, wherever you are watching us, welcome and thank you for come watch with tonight. Yes, guys, so me have a couple of disclaimers, some things I'm gonna make clear before me get in what me gonna talk about tonight. Yeah, have been holding this in for quite a long time. Yes, so I don't want nobody come. First disclaimer, I don't want nobody come over here come tell me say I don't have no right to speak my mind. Yeah, our platform. Yes, I don't want nobody come over here come tell me say me negative and in a bagga or whatever. Tonight, what I'm gonna talk about, yeah, is because I was involved. Yes,
we were involved.
We were involved, and I just want to put it to bed once and for all tonight. While I'm speaking, this individual mentally, I'm burying this individual. I refuse to think that this individual share the same planet Earth with me after tonight. Yes, I'm gonna take it from the beginning. Yeah, why me come out tonight? Yes, for sure now this person come out and I play the victim, and I want like she have amnesia and she not remember what she do to people. Yes, and come out now and thinks that people must automatically turn around and just sweep all what she do under the carpet. Yes.
Pity party.
I want you
a pity party.
A pity party. You understand? But me I gotta remind her. Yeah? Me I gotta remind her how she drag we. Yeah? And we were actually doing the same thing that she was doing, giving her opinion. Yeah? And something that is public. Yes, but because we come out in defense of someone and when I agree with her, she decide to drag away. Yeah? So, may I put them this disclaimer there out there. Me no want, if you no want to hear what me have to say, you can exit this platform tonight. You understand? Because no matter how positive we have feelings. Bottom line, we're human beings. You understand? Yes? You know what I mean? So we're not trusting a God for fight, we battle for we. Yes, we have, because we retaliate each and every time, which we did not. You understand? And all the people them were gonna come under my video and talk about them don't know what's wrong with them old woman here. Me make a disclaimer. I hope you live to be old. Yes? Yes, if you think me old, like some on a big woman, them put them big woman here, I hope on live to grow up and be big woman. That's my wish for
right.
You understand? And I hope on a big woman and people pass them place with honor. Don't make people get comfortable, think them can disrespect honor. Yeah? Yeah? Me not care if you're Christian and you could have strong in your faith. You understand me? And if somebody keep going at you, at you. Yes, even if somebody just don't trace you and then walk where and buck them to, me know no matter how much Christian you is, you say in your head you're bigger you.
You're glad. You're glad say them do it.
Exactly.
Of course. Exactly. You're gonna be happy that they hurt themselves or
not hurt themselves per se, but
right.
the fact that them just did a
something
bad
happened to
and
them.
something happen.
Yeah.
Me just not have no time for the people them who go on like say them are Jesus, because none of we not perfect. You understand me? We all fall short. Yes, and bottom line, we're common flesh and bone. Yeah, and when time me come out and speak on behalf of a lady, you know, she talks, her name always the on platform, and me can understand where she come from. Yes, me can understand where she come from. But when it comes to talking about somebody strong and somebody that me admire and somebody that don't deserve what happened to them, until me will forever call your name when me in a conversation like this. You understand? And me know say you don't mind the people them that are good people what call your name. Me not gonna be naive and get offended and say, oh, you know what I call your name. You understand? Me know better than that. Yeah, me know better than that. The thing is, guys, when me first come out and talk in general, yeah, you can never go back to any of my video them and see me call this a woman your name. Never call, a matter of fact, never call none of them names.
We not call no name.
Because at the time I noticed it was like gang banging. People are gang up upon this sister. And as a person, we grew up with love. You understand? My mother grew me with love. She grew me with compassion. She grew me for show empathy. She grew me for stand up for what me believe in her. Yes? And even if me not speak it right, speak it. Yeah, that's how me grow. From a strong woman, a strong Jamaican,
speak
black
what comes
woman.
To your mind, no matter how it comes out.
A woman, yeah, when me see all my life being charitable to people. Yes, she not care where you come from. She treat everybody child like hers. Yeah, that's what me grew up with. Yeah, me grew up with a woman where we live in New York and we have clothes where we now wear. That woman would walk with bags of clothes and leave on the train for people,
or
for homeless or on the fence. That's how me grew up. So when me come out and speak on behalf of auntie, and no matter who I go get up and say, a clout me a look, nobody can tell me what me a look. Me know what in my heart, me know what me feel. You understand? I've never called this lady yet and said, auntie, do me a favor, mention me on your platform. Auntie, do me a favor. Never, 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 never. Me come to Jamaica, as me said before, where me could have meet her, and I didn't. Numerous times. And I could, and I haven't, because there are no ulterior motive. The same way me come out for your majesty. You understand? Just because they're my brothers and sisters. I know how to love because I live and experience. My parents love people, kids that aren't theirs. Love people.
I was one. Her mother took me in as her own. Took care of me like I was her own child. Yes.
Yes. So I know how to love outside my gates, outside my door. I don't have to know you, to admire you, to love you, and to be loyal to you. Yeah? I don't have to.
You can be a total stranger.
Total stranger.
Total stranger.
And my supporters who have been with me for a long time know that I'm not in front of you talking any bullshit. Yeah? You understand? Me not have to come out here and talk how much people me help. That's not my style. I don't have to come out here and talk about a personal conversation I have with somebody, because God know if they want the world to know, they may announce it themselves. That's the type of person he is. God knows if me and you are friends and you do me wrong, if we're not friends no more, no, me not going out there go talk about things you can find in me and tell me, or take it and cuss you. That's not me. God knows I'm sitting here, I'm not trying to tell you I'm perfect. I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect. Not at all. That's not what me I try to paint and show nobody. But when me stand up for somebody, and when me admire somebody, and when me see them do good, and when me see people a gang pan that individual, I have a platform. I don't care if it was 7 people or 10 people that watch me. Me don't care. Me never care. When me look and see the numbers, I was blown away because me never care. Me get in a me truck and me say me I go talk to my sister or encourage her, whether she hear it back or not. I don't care, as long as me put it out there. When me put it out there, first of all, when this woman, I will never defile my mouth and speak her name. I will never disrespect the word lady and put it behind that letter L or in front of it. Never. I will never do that. You are not worthy. The first time I watched you, I knew you were a liar. Yes, I had enough sense to know so you was a liar.
Can pick sense out of nonsense.
I knew you were a liar, you're a manipulator, yes, and you're ruthless. Yes, from the get-go. Because first of all, people with real success don't have to brag about it. That's one thing I know for a fact. Yeah? One thing I know. You said you have a Wall Street lawyer because you unleashed your dog. You unleashed your dog on us because you did not like the fact that me come out and defend my sister. Me ain't supposed to have the same right where you have to speak what's on your mind. Me never have the freedom of speech that is given to everyone in America. No, I did not have that right. You didn't think I had that right. So you unleash your dog. You're getting the brunt of it because that's your platform. You control what's been said on your platform. You are gonna be held responsible because I have a platform and I could have had people call in and do the same thing that you have done to Vanilla and I on your platform, but we had never sung to that level and we will never sing to that level.
And we made sure we said up front, if you're gonna call in, please be respectful. Be respectful.
Yes, so anyways, we go back to what I say. I did a video, even though you have people calling and drag me. Yeah, not only me, but you make them inject me. I put it on you, on your platform. You make them inject my husband and my daughter, yeah, on your platform, and send my husband impregnate our daughter, yeah. What kind of a mind you have? What kind of thinking you have? Never met me in your life. I never mentioned your husband or your family on my platform because I stood up for a lady and said what I do wasn't right. You said my husband impregnated my daughter. You have your caller said that. You understand? Yeah, you sit down and you have a whole entire conversation with me on your floor. Yes, you make your caller made an allegation against us. So we thief draws from Ross. No, anybody with sense can sit down here and watch we and think we need for thief nothing.
Right.
Yeah. You are a despicable human being. Yeah? You're a wicked person. Yeah? You have no heart inside of you. You're very divisive. Yes? And you get up and accuse my auntie of scamming. You are the real scammer because now you're on voice note scamming people for information. But why you put out a voice note with my auntie scam nobody. Everything you accuse people of, there are evidence out there you do the same thing. Yeah, because on a bad mind, because when she have achieved at Jamaica, you could never stay down there and achieve it. I know you're in America and you still can't achieve it. You and your invisible 4 houses. Yes, and you may talk to me, come for you tonight. Yeah.
And more than one time we were accused of stealing. We were accused of stealing twice.
Yeah, me.
We were accused of being a thief. We were accused of being scammers. We were accused of being all kinds of things.
Are you me comfort tonight? Nobody else. You me comfort. Open nose, girl. Are you me comfort tonight? You hear me? Yes. You know longer me all that me have supporter call me and I cry. Yeah, me have friends call me and I cry. Friends because them know me. Forget the supporter. I appreciate you, my supporters. But me I talk about people who know me, call me and I cry. And I say, them bring Mike in it and Lisi. Yeah, I may just hold that like a G because I knew that I was gonna come. Yeah? And tonight I feel your night. You hear me? You love get up and brag and show off. Listen, you not have nothing for show off, pan. We are cruff in America.
That's what
you wish you
cruff.
could have lived like this a cruff. You can only dream it, darling. Me not have to come pan ya and tell nobody what me have. You understand? You're supposed to see me and know that I'm well taken care of. You're supposed to see me and know that I can take care of myself. You're supposed to see which part me sit down and when me video every night and know say you cannot walk in after my shoes. Not day, not time. You understand me? Me not have to show you. It's supposed to be seen on me. Yeah? My good heart supposed to sip on me. Me not have to tell nobody say me have a good heart. You're supposed to look on me and know that me have a good heart. You understand me? Yeah.
Actions speak louder than words too. You're supposed to be able to show.
You now have nothing inside of you more than banana trash. And that stuff you up and I keep you. Drunk or done name out your conscience. You hear me? Name that out. Yeah. How dare you? You come on the internet and you light a fire. You start a fire and then you run. Yeah? You run. Go hide. You send out your dog and now your dog needs G's and you're nowhere to be found. Yeah? Bad girl. Bad girl now get up and run off their mouth and say them bad. I smell you smell bad. Me not ask nobody. I tell you that. Yeah? You hear? You come challenge me for take off my wig. And then, because you're a hot girl, take out your teeth, honey. Me will take off my wig any day when you take out your teeth and make your real complexion come back. Then me take off my wig and we turn up in this. Yeah. That's what we do. I might challenge that to you now. Yeah. Show me the bad girl you is. Because me live up to my word. Yeah, you take out them teeth there. Get back your right complexion and come in at this. And make me come out here without makeup. Yeah, because me I tell you, I look at eyeliner me have on tonight. And lick a lip gloss. Nothing else. And that me I tell you. Yeah, you come talk about your man no want be with no big woman. Me hear your pan vice note. Your man no want auntie. Auntie no want your man. Yeah, me I go diss him now cause you diss me husband. Me I go tell you that. Yeah, auntie no want your man. Cause first of all, auntie no want a big belly man will look like say him dance Jan Kuno in a Christmas time. You hear me? Me not come here to play tonight. Who no want come watch me again? Deuces. Yeah, and my husband drag over this and I said nothing for Uno. Go up under me. Me glad you no go up under me because first place you no go smell so good, don't it? You smell the pange wash up there? Yeah? Did you smell the pange wash up there? Yeah. $25 for, and with shipping it come over 30. You smell it? Yeah. Me no brag and show off pan people, but when me can travel go, me not have to do that. Cause anywhere me send me a go, I'm there. You hear? You're not invisible.
You brag say you're an American. You accuse me. I am born here. You accuse me of coming here. I'm not a born American. I'm not from here. We don't have nothing. We're worthless. We're crust.
Yeah, repeat to myself.
We're crust. And we don't have no job. We're jobless.
You know
we have a business. We work.
When you can design, be an interior designer girl, I'm put you out there for you. You want me to put you out there for you? When you can interior design girl chat to me, yeah? When you have a business chat to me, when you hold a management position and you just chat to me, you want me to keep going? When you can plan party and you can make stuff for yourself, see views upon my table, me do that? You chat to me? You understand? Chat to me. And I use my house to judge me interior designing skill, girl. This is not nothing. Yeah? Chat to me. Yeah, and you make me have to say them because them there things that me result. Look how much years me upon you and nobody not even know what me do. Yeah, but me come for you. Because you can go on like you alone arrive. Yeah? How long me a citizen of this bitch? That's the goal you have. That's the great goal. You reach the pearly gate because you're a citizen. God dang it. You know what citizen is lay up on the bridge? As a fee you go low. As a fee standard low. Yeah? Not even she was born you no brag boy you like you. Yeah? You're classer but you're steady over there and rub out your skin to look like her. Eh? Because I'm sure you're not rub you out to look like me. You ain't rubbing it out to look like me.
You on my eyes too?
You know what I'm saying? As she straight up. When you rub you out to look like. So I don't know how you over there a drug somebody where you're dying for day. Eh? Eh? Yeah? Then have the audacity for have people calling on your show, your dog, and come talk about my house and not for my house. Me want you come show me who own this. Yeah? Come show me who own it. Yeah?
Bring the deed. Come.
Yeah, bring the deed come. Bring who own this. Since 2005. Bring who own this. Yeah? Brand new when me walk up in here. Yeah? You're out of order. Yeah, you're devil. You're Satan's sister. You're bad mind. Yeah, you get up and eat a plate of bad mind every day for breakfast. Yes, and then you drink a cup of a jealous tea. Yeah. And in the evening you have a place that envious. Yeah. And you feed panko vicious pill. A fear friggin' vitamin that. Yeah.
Daily.
They say me come for you tonight. When me say my name stutter. I mean, looking at camera, I mean, I have nobody calling for done you. Yeah. You can never, ever walk in my shoes. Not even when it's old and broke down. Yeah. You hear? Go educate yourself. Because I did make a video and tell you if you choose a different path. Me drop positivity upon you first. And you still not like that. You still have all your animal them from your animal kingdom come in and attack me. Yeah. People when don't know me. Me look like this and that's all I don't know if you do a class people. Me prefer to look like the ugly somebody out there and don't have a heart like yours.
Right.
Make me the biggest, the fattest, the ugly somebody out there. As long as me not have Satan's sister art in me, I'm good. I'm great. Yeah, you don't know what love is. Everything about you is fake. Everything about you is pretend. You hear me?
You try and make yourself look better than you are.
You can't fool your minions. Them will sit down there and watch you. You couldn't fool me. Not for a second. Because I know what success look like. And you, honey, you're not even close. You hear? You're not even close. Yeah. Go take a GED course. Yeah. That's what you need for
you need it.
Yeah, and stop have people right for you. And because we know when are you right. Yeah, and stop use words where you don't know a definition for.
Because something that's actually one word, you make two out of it.
You know what I'm saying? All of this could have been prevented with a condom. All of this. Because I want to tell you to. And even though a condom never prevent you, the best part of you, the best part of you, roll off of your mother chin. Remember me tell you that. The best part of you, roll off. Yeah, and she wipe it. That was the best part. Yeah. Too bad she ain't skill enough for just lick it off and swallow you. Yeah, you are terrible. You're a terrible human being. Yeah. And my supporters, we're Christian, and when me know if a positive, me apologize tonight.
Yes,
You know, but me I speak my mind. You hear me? The girl here, enough people she hurt on Facebook. And all this ruckus you see out there are going because of her. And if anything happened to anybody, it's because of her. Me no care on no one twisty and put it on with auntie, it now go happen. Whatever happened to anybody out there, they're responsible. So uno can't trap her and anything got happen, uno can't talk about say because of she. It's because of uno and evil ways. Uno think people are idiot. Uno think uno talk to people with rock stone in their head for your brain. And that uno think uno gonna let go voice note all over the place and then can talk about say it's sitting happen a auntie cause uno go somewhere, go jump off of some rotted bridge. Cause nobody ain't buying that bridge when I try sell. You hear? Nobody now buy that bridge because police are not idiot. Yeah? People are not fool. Yeah? You hear? People is no fool. Yeah? Me not see, voice note let go out there and somebody do something to somebody, then them got all themselves up at 99 because voice note play and arrest auntie. You know what we buy into that, eh? You know sick and out of the mind? You know sick and out of the mind? You know I drink mad puss piss. Me see say devil a ride on a nightly. He might ride on wherever you sit down. Yeah? Tell the devil where dugu no na car fi tap dugu no. You hear? Because the devil a fool no. The devil a sweet talk no. Fi give you a back shot, lizard lap, and all kind of lap. The devil a trick no. Yeah? You hear me? The devil a trick no. Cause nobody a no fool. You hear? Like me say, me no care one come up on the film video come say after this. I bury every talk me talk. Yeah? A hole I dig. Me reach to a hole digging. Yeah. Me soon reach to when me put in and nail them. You hear me? Because me refuse to believe some me share this planet with somebody like you. We come from my country. You're a disgrace. Yeah, you're a disgrace to the Jamaica flag. You're a sellout and a disgrace. Me understand, say, where you probably come from. Was bad. But damn it. You make it look like, say, you reach a heaven. You enter the pearly gates up here. Me no know. Jamaica a worst place. So you can't go off like people them in Jamaica. And you can't bribe them. And you can get information from them and not care what happened to them life after that. Because as long as you satisfy the demon them inside of you, then that's all that matters.
It doesn't matter what happens to the person that you're putting out there.
Yeah.
You caused that. You caused all of this ruckus on social media, like you said.
Do you understand me? Yeah. As long as you quench your thirst for blood, because you're a vampire, blood-sucking vampire. You get up and suck at auntie, day in and day out. You feed. Yeah, you're a serpent. You just suck and suck and suck.
Like a leech.
Yeah. And you get up. Oh, all I came out and I'll come out and I talk about a charity. Oh, you forget. You forget when you paint all your face black. You forget that. You have amnesia. Let me remind you. You forget how much time you and fear animal kingdom run up on the anti-skirt. You know, run up on our picnic them. Just see him when you run up on family. You forgot. You forgot. Now every day you get up and talk about Jesus. And I'm not new. Because 2 minutes before you used to talk about Jesus. And the next minute is alive. It's a hate campaign. Anybody with different auntie, we are go for them. Nobody not supposed to defend this woman. Who the hell not think gonna is? Who the hell not think gonna is? Not for 1 second, me just want you know this tonight. Not for a second. me ever afraid of you or anybody on your flat platform. Yeah? Not for 1 second. You hear me? Jamaica me come from, and me used to mongrel. Me used to them love for bark. Yes. Because that's all another sound like to me. A bunch of barking mongrels. Yeah. You know, get up. You know, live on this woman. And no matter how you come out, and you say, you know what? Because I see Michelle LaDonna, as calm as this woman is, and she she is so unbiased with her thinking. Me never did so unbiased. Me not be lie. Me not lie. Me did bias all the way. Yeah. But me have a right to be biased. I feel me bias. Yeah. And if me want to be biased, make me be biased. Yeah. Anyways, Michelle LaDonna come out and she wasn't biased. And she even encouraged enough to take a different path. She tell you how great you is, how successful, how wonderful you are, and all of that. Next minute you drag the woman, lie upon the woman, how the woman sleep with this woman from which one of your family member you got rings out file. Every day you have a file. And you can't file down your wall of your teeth them for them in line. Every day you have a damn file. And you can't file a whiteness off on a rotted tongue. But every day you not have file. Yeah. And you talk the most despicable thing about that lady. Yeah. Drag her. Drag her. Go up under her. Yeah. See all Minnie and them come with their angry face there. Yeah. Wanna go on with a hungry self like on a boss. Yeah. Wanna go along with a hungry self. With an imaginary 4 houses. And an imaginary success. Go along.
And your imaginary cars.
Yeah. Go along with an imaginary thing, imaginary vacation, and imaginary people are come set you up. Me don't know what's so special about you. You must be Beyonce. Jay-Z and Beyonce got Jamaica all fine, but you couldn't go down there. Excuse me. Really? Yeah. Everybody else can go, but you them want. Because you're so important. You come and a broke down and a tear down your nerves and blood pressure, all the cells them in your brain. And you people want a Jamaica. My country, yeah. Really, they want you? For what? After they don't know you.
Then they care about you.
Everybody else can't man to be know you? After nobody don't know you. Yeah? Mr. bigger than you walk through airport and nobody not rush them. And you didn't need bodyguards? Or you didn't need securities? Yeah, really? Who you think you be? Yeah? You sit down and blow up yourself. And yeah, you sit down at night time and blow up yourself because you see number them over there. Of course you talk about auntie. People are going to come listen. Enough for you. Not find numbers them enough for you. So don't feel like you're popular. You hear? You see numbers them and you think all of a sudden you're a celebrity. And people want you in Jamaica. You gotta look out for your safety. Nobody not do you nothing. Go along. You couldn't go. Your name that go from the get-go. Because you didn't have no money to go. Yeah, you couldn't call. We would buy your ticket and send you. Yeah. Your name that go nowhere. Yeah, you brag about your birthday. And look on the all the retarded table where you set up. Yeah, me would even set up that from picnic.
Yeah, but you're not sure because you don't want nobody to steal your designs. And look at what it came out to be.
You understand? Yeah, you set up a damn table, all that's missing for it to be a set-up table, a 2-bottle and never white rum. Let me tell you something. Yeah, you're not impressed nobody over there. Only if people that want to used to nothing, you're impressed. May I tell you, may I break it down for you? Yeah, you could have asked Auntie for 2 bottle and nephew. Then we could have a setup. A perfect 9-night. That's what that look like. Yes, and you could have put on something else other than your husband's shirt. Yeah. You understand me? Yeah, you don't bring up your angry face. You don't have a right to be angry. Because if she ain't for my boss, me to be angry too. Yeah. Who wouldn't be angry after she embarrassed on us, and she's so rich? And she embarrassed me that embarrassed. You me that angry too. Why not? Me that hungry as hell, me that be angry. Yes. Why not be angry? Yeah. When somebody mislead on us, me that angry too. Yeah. Me not be angry. Be angry and have all right to be angry. You hear me? Yeah. Get up and you know what success look like? Set up table and you a buffet style and you forgot where you cook, so you put a menu upon it. Come on. You forget, everybody in our house know where you cook. And you put a menu in each and everybody plate. Now you could have did, let me give you a tip. You could have did put like a thank you poem. Yeah? Panic yard instead. Don't embarrass we. Because I tell you, don't embarrass Jamaican people. We're used to things. You know, do a buffet with a menu in each and every plate. You don't do that. Because sister, you not used to nothing. Me just tell you. Because me know you know where you cook. Everybody in our house are just 6 tables. Nobody name forgot where you make. And six chairs, me mean. Nobody name forgot. You look dumb. Me just tell you. So next time, don't do that. Yeah, put a nice thank you, a Thanksgiving, put a nice thank you card. And with people that want to use to nothing, we think that's awesome. Me I tell you from the Jamaican, they were used to things. Yeah? Although we did we never grew up with money, but we come America and they are long enough. Yes. Well, we go to nice places. And we travel to nice places. Yeah. Can me that fling that off from the table. Just I tell you.
Wanted to put it on there in the first place.
Seem like onion come for way. Tonight I feel night. Yeah.
I could play victim now. Ball.
You hear me? Tonight I feel night. Yeah. Stop going like say everybody want your man. Everybody don't want him. Yeah. He's perfect for you. Yeah. You understand? We used to good men over here. We in a good marriage. Yeah. Yeah. So me just tell you, it's not the first. And you sure won't be the last. Yeah. That's I tell you. Yeah. Stop playing victim after you come on Facebook and cause a ruckus. You light a fire and now you're hiding in the darkness. And all like some of your minute, me just want you know some of your minute and them I look for you. Yeah, then why you for come out. Yeah. After you throw them on the bus. Them I look for you. And then when me look at for your bulldog friend, where I go have the audacity to go upon that for me good up auntie. When me see that the picture, them I say,
really?
Really? Really? Really?
You have a nerve.
Really? You ferret mixed with friggin' parrot? Really? You send that for my auntie? You ferret mixed with goat and parrot. Send that for my auntie? Yeah? She look for you, she wants some G's. She wants some G's. Yeah. You send her for run up under everybody crotch. No, she'll look for you. She'll look for you. That's I tell you. And for you, not even say your name. We run up under everybody crotch. You're 50 or over 50. The only thing you should be influenced to do at that age is to get a good pension plan. Be influenced to know where you're going to buy that vacation home for when you retire. Then there are things you should be influenced to do. At your age, you not have no right to come on internet and defend and be influenced by some idiot. Yeah?
Not done spot.
You should be influenced to get the best insurance plan when you reach them age. Yeah. You know, come out here, come go up on the people. Yeah. And then she left you here, stuck on the people. Well, not under me. I don't know where you're stuck. Yeah. You understand? Now you need some mange. She cannot be found. Yeah. And then for the woman, we make $100 US. Me not call nobody name. Bribe you, you ungrateful wretch. For some draws, you never know about we. You couldn't call we with a send you one whole barrel of draws. Yeah. You get 5 of them at Victoria's Secrets for $35. We then send you a good one from Victoria's Secrets. But you take that for show for me auntie and I boss. Really? Let me tell you something. You don't have to bribe nobody to get the truth. You don't have to bribe nobody to get the truth. Look where she take you from.
Right.
100 US. Really? Huh? Some money to buy some drugs. Really? Ungrateful. Ungrateful. Don't you ever bite the hands that feed you. The poor donors them. I know they must be crunching. How worthless can you be to fall for some draws? How what do you? Few more nights without draws and they'll kill you. You need to do that, sweetie.
And where are you going to be when the $100 is gone?
You know what I'm saying?
And you're back in the same
$100?
position you were before you took that
Really?
ride.
For bad mouth, auntie? When the woman have everything on video? Yeah? Because of bad mind and no greedy and feel like say I not alone to get all of the help. She not to reach out and help nobody else. She must take care of you till the day you're dead. How will you obligated to you, sir? And she did push you out. Excuse me. For your kids them live in America now be no problem to her and she must get up and mind you every day and beg for you every day. That's why you special. And because she not do that. You betray her for some draws. I hope the draws them worth it. I hope them last forever and ever. Ungrateful. Ungrateful. Yeah. Ungrateful. No amount of money. If me loyal to, if somebody help me. Really? Yeah.
Somebody don't even have to help
Somebody
me.
not to even help me.
Somebody don't even have to help me.
Yeah. 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 Oh. Long time me sit down pan it. Long time. Whatever. Real G, real bad girl. A fool. A fool. Pay mouth on have behind camera. For yelling a phone. And go upon the people. Vocabulary is very limited. Because that's all you can do, talk about somebody features and go upon that. Me never see a set of woman them love go upon that woman so.
Right.
Jesus Christ. Me know say out a woman not come from but God. Every curse on have to go upon that someone. You know people breasts. As so much woman you know that way. Because me no remember when you did go upon that for me just. Yeah. They have a nerve. Out of all these nice rotted store in America, you're going to accuse chocolate and vanilla of going to Ross.
Right, Ross.
The thief draws. Out of everything in a store, draws. Draws.
Baggy.
Draws. Anybody can come after me yard tonight as a female and me can say penny night and you get every damn thing new. Me can go for a new drawers, can come here, a new rag, a new towel, a new toothpaste, a new toothbrush. And that ain't no friggin' lie. Anybody come visit me. Me can do that for. Because if you're male, my husband can do it for you. And if you're female, me can do it for you. So draws. You go accuse me of thief in drawers. It come like on a loving I drawers business. Because drawers you use, go drag out that the one that you talk about auntie. So it come like on obsessed with drawers. When I'm not under woman, I'm not obsessed with drawers. When in I drawers business, it looks so. Yeah. You're not the only person come America and achieve anything. Get over it. Nobody can not say you can't be proud of what you accomplish. But you sound like a damn idiot. Every day when you get up and sing the same damn song.
Broken record.
Yeah.
You're
You know, no other verse to it.
Same thing over.
Everybody
over,
grudge you for your life.
over.
Me still a look what people for grudge you for. Me still a try to see it.
I wonder too.
Yeah? What, it outdated damn furniture them what you have in the background? Are that them grudge you for? What them grudge you for? Your lean mouth? Your false teeth? What them grudge you for? Tell me. Because me still a try to find. What them grudge you for? My family, if you're over your exit. Me talk all family, cousin. You all know. Me know. Me know one over there screaming on phone and said, me fit happy. Me not listen to her. And my friend them too. Yeah. I'm not come off. Come back tomorrow. Yeah. Enough, man. Enough. Enough. Just go. Just disappear into the night. Yeah.
Come off of Facebook.
You serve no purpose out here. You have such a great story that you could come and inspire others to get straight into this country. For people who are try to figure out them way. But instead, no. The woman of Jamaica just a drive you mad day in and day out. You're just obsessed with the woman. I love her now, but me not obsessed.
Yes.
You're just obsessed, sir. Man. You're obsessed, you're obsessed, you're obsessed. Me know so much people. She have weakened at the knees. Lord.
Dream about it too.
Me God. Every day. You're right.
It come
You're right, you're right, you're right. And nobody mustn't say anything to you. Or anything about it. Because I didn't say it to you. I said about it. Nobody enough once they mention that lady name will automatically become a target. Yeah? You become a target. Them come for you. And she know. Say them all do it. Because like me always say, it's a group. And they know who's gonna come and done this one yeah, and done that the one there. Me figure that out long time.
They planned it.
Long time me pick up on that.
Time ago.
Long time me pick up on that. Cause my mother don't raise no fool over here. Yeah?
We said that a long time ago.
Yeah. Before the group, this monk and you find out say a group. Me know a group that long time. Me know who gonna come done me and Vanilla. Yeah? We did know.
Never take
Our claim say they want done with. Because no girl can't done with. Especially no girl when no used to nothing. Yeah.
Right.
No girl with dunce and can't even read a sentence. Can't done we. You hear? A girl will make America fly to them head like, oh my God, I'm in heaven. I've entered the pearly gates. Like, yeah, I mean, it's a great country. But God dang it, you act like a y'all alone in a citizen, my dear. A y'all alone ever hold one passport. Mighty God. And then you could even travel with it.
Still can't. And still can't.
Then they send you enough money for your birthday with the cash up where you say you don't pin. The money ain't add up. Me understand. Next time you don't show off before you do things. It better you do things first. You no count your eggs before you hatch. You understand? No brag about your birthday. No brag about where you are go. Especially when you didn't get the itinerary. No do it. You not even get a seat number.
Right.
You not even did book. Power airline. You come a brag and I haul your little suitcase through airport. From me see you, me know down a Florida. Go.
Air imaginary.
Me can, yeah, when me travel from me see you, me know I down a Florida. You go. Yeah, you couldn't fool me. Yeah.
And I post fake pictures.
Yeah. You couldn't fool me. And when you post at the highway there, me didn't know your name go.
Why you have to go?
Because me
why
know,
you have to choose one off of Google?
Me know. Say if where you show off, you'd have turn up in the highway. For everybody see you. You'd have turn up in that the highway there. Me not ask.
A Google you go.
When me see that, me just dead with laugh. You're fake. Fake. You take fakeness to another level. It come like fakeness running off on a group. Can you see a way for your master be a fake and take a people picture off of Google and put it over the pan for your thing and me find the damn picture on Google? When I go lie, why lie? It's such a struggle for lie. You know say easier for just be who you is. Because you have to keep up with the lie them, you know, man. You have to memorize them. A backside. Enough time you forgot. Because I did a wait on the Wall Street liar. But you forgot say you said that.
Oh, no, that can't reach.
When me look and see a one from Jamaica, I say, what they rotted? How you say?
What happened to Wall Street?
How you say? None end up at Wall Street? Them ain't gone home? Oh. I'm just saying. Oh, no lie. Lie after your name. You lie. That's what I want to tell you. You lie.
Money wasn't strong enough to get a
I
Wall
remember,
Street lawyer.
me now gonna start believe you. Nobody now start believe you. It's way too late. Because we prove you as a compulsive Satan sister liar. You is a liar. Go upon your knee. Confess all what you do to people. Until you come clean with the God I know. Not the one way you get up and call upon 1 minute and the next minute you have people that done people and go upon the people. You see? Not the one there. Not the one where you have people calling and a fool you. Because them just as evil as you. You understand? Because a true Christian can see all that you have done and would have said to you, my sister, you have done some evil things. Yeah? Now sit down over there and I tell you about your choosing. You understand me? Yeah. I hope there is still hope for you. Yeah, I believe there is because God is a forgiving God. And I will not make that judgment for say there isn't hope for you. But you have to go sincerely to God and ask Him for forgiveness. And you have to acknowledge and take responsibility for the things that you have said and allow to be said about people, not on anybody's platform, but on yours. And you knew damn well everything that was gonna be said, because if you didn't want to hear it, you would have stopped it, and you didn't. You never intervene. You had people fought your battles for you because you're a coward. You are a coward, and I will never disrespect the word lady to put it behind that L or in front of it, because you are not a lady. You're classless. You're evil. You're evil.
Bad mind.
And you belong in darkness. You belong in darkness.
That's why she vlogs in darkness.
That's the only thing you've done right.
Vlogging
to be
in darkness.
Because you deserve to be in darkness. Yes.
Keep the camera off.
Yeah, you curse. You cuss auntie. And then me hear you say you never cuss her. All you talk about charity. And that are a charity? What charity have to do with that? Where kids them have to do with charity? Where breasts have to do with charity?
Have to do with charity.
You understand? You're an evil person. You have no conscience. Drunk or tear out and name out your conscience. And tough, dry trash in there. You hear? Dare you make somebody call in and inject my husband and my daughter?
Right.
Yeah?
You don't want somebody to talk about your kids. You don't want somebody to talk about your grandkids, but yet you do it to others. You allowed others to do it.
You can only hope and wish. Your daughters, she not do me nothing. And I won't disrespect her. But I wish for your daughter that she would have a father like my husband to her daughter. And that type of relationship. Because every girl needs that in their life. Every young girl needs that.
A strong
in
father
their life.
figure.
That relationship. That love. That first love. Teach her our man supposed to treat her.
Yep. The bond.
And because I'm not used to seeing anything like that, when I saw the dance video with them dancing, and you took that to your, you make somebody took that to your platform and disrespect my family. But I leave you to God after tonight. I leave you to your conscience. Yeah? I'm going to leave you to all of them evil spirit where I make love to you at night time. Me leave them to you. Because your judgment already reach you. It's already reaching you. Yeah? If you don't know, me tell you, it already reach you. If you don't change from your ways, you are gonna see. Yeah. Yeah. But from tonight on, you no longer exist in my world. I no longer want to even see you. If there's a video with you on Facebook, yeah, me, I close that out.
Or scroll fast.
Or scroll fast.
Or block you.
You no longer exist. So whatever you say about me after tonight, it's none of my business. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Me all Latin people for a long time. Because you don't know. Me say if you want to curse me, curse me. Yeah. But when you bring in my family in there, you cross the line. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it don't come out when people want me. I don't work off of people. I work off of how I feel. I work off of when I'm ready. Yeah. And tonight is the night. Tonight is the night. You call it Plankaneer and them germs and all that. Everybody are germs and everybody worthless. Yeah. Me sure me take out, get my microscope right now and looking at the false teeth there. Me know the amount of germs in there. Not big like anti-platform. Not bigger than anti-platform, I should say. Yeah. The amount of germs for me to be all. Yeah. And more. Yeah. Me know, me go low. Yeah, you can't talk to them people you anger eye. You understand? They don't understand I. They don't understand I. Yeah, me try the high road already. Yeah, and me get dragged. So why not just go down on the low road with your girl? Girl, because that you is a girl. Yeah. I mean, now make good up Master Baker come for you. A chocolate come for you tonight. Yeah. Yeah, because if Master Baker did come for you, a shame. They made a cry at me. I mean, I want my family to be ashamed of me. Yeah. Because I know what family is. Yeah. You're an embarrassment to the flag. Embarrassment to my country. You're embarrassment to women. You're embarrassment to wives.
You're embarrassment.
You're embarrassment to friendship. Because I could tell you can't hold on a good friendship. Nobody should trust you. And if you sleep with one eye open, yeah.
Because with friends like you, they don't need an enemy. Because you act like one.
Yeah, me done with you. Me done with you. Me done with you, dirty bongo. Yeah? Dirty bongo. Me done with you. Yeah. Whatever you say after tonight, like me say, and none of my business. None of my business. Because you not got talk nothing new. More of a name call. That's all you know. Yeah. Because I can tell. That's how you're being spoken to. You see me? No. Yeah. Me can tell when your husband tell you to wash up a dirty plate them. That's them kind of way that you used to be talked to. You understand? So you can't communicate without name calling or have somebody. Yeah, call up your gang and then come in and rub, then call it rub out people. Yeah, because that's all you do. Yeah, I found a success that, rubbing out people. Yeah. And that you must be successful in. Yeah. And wicked and bad mind people. Them their things were you successful in. Yeah. Nothing else. Yeah. Yeah. That's
grateful.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, over there, I cuss my friend, and you steadily rub out your skin if you come like for your own. Eh? Yeah.
You still not reached there.
Yeah, right.
Keep rubbing. Rub harder.
Yeah. You're out there. I cuss her. Because I'm sure on me, you're trying to rub out and look like a she.
You know, rub hard enough.
Yeah. 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 All we over upon all the other platform them I can talk about what them call we again sitting on the ghosts something on ghosts. Them say a ghost whatever. Me not even talk to people who live in a car. Me not go lower my standard. Yeah? Sure. Yes. And we're gone back. Yes.
Me no mingle. Me no get in trouble with no farmer dirty bum.
Man, one time I look on that woman. Yo, I try to know about me. When I look and see picture that woman will come out. One come class up my auntie. Eh? No, me no wrong you. Fear I be one dog. Really?
Right.
Eh?
Right.
But look on it, woman.
That was better.
But that this is something I go up and for my auntie. I try to know. Yeah.
With me and dirty bongo, pass my dirty bongo, dirty bongo, dirty bongo, dirty bongo. Dirty bongo, dirty bongo. Them a dirty bongo, pass my dirty bongo.
She's not even favor bulldog. She favor wolf dog. You know what I mean? I come disrespect my auntie. Yeah. I call her up under her breast. Me see woman, I'm like, tell me this is not real. No man. Wanna do it? Wanna do it? Eh? Wanna do it? Upon her worst day, she still look better than you. Doggy. Yeah. Gonna pound. Yes. Upon her worst rotted.
When I'm not with me.
Yeah. I would have scarf on and all. Chop out.
Me no get in trouble with no dirty bongo, dirty bongo, dirty bongo.
Come now. Come now. Now get my time. Yeah.
Dirty bongo, pass my dirty bongo. No, anything me say, no say dirty bongo. Anything me say, no say dirty bongo. If you want,
It's still born me, man. I'll keep playing through my head when a woman come home from church and sit down there in a good Sunday, and then this is something you call and when me hear it's just a flashback, all the little dirty nasty name them. And when me look and see woman picture, me almost turn over. And you didn't call her my auntie, man. Jesus Christ, no sir.
somebody mind you a dirty bongo, and you go envious you a dirty bongo. You see the club in a barrel them a dirty bongo, and the business dirty bongo. Dirty bong, dirty bong, dirty bong. Dirty bong, dirty bong. You're babbling a penny, a bubble too. I find your cock off and me that go cock off for you. Kick off and me that go kick off for you.
Auntie, fling my phone when she call pan ya man. Because me begs ya man. Sure, I did the sitting there call. She? Sure.
Lick off and me that go lick off for you. Lick your back off and me. But who find you too? How you want mix with that people? They need you my grill mix. But me no mingle. Me no get in trouble with me no farm at dirty bongo. With me and dirty bongo, pass my dirty bongo, dirty bongo, dirty bongo.
That did I go up under me? And I did I go up under me breast them and sing it at that? At that? No, sir.
Dirty bongo. Dirty bongo, dirty bongo. Them are dirty bongo.
Feel violated, man. If you go send woman up under me and under me, make she look good now, man. Me not tell you say she have to be Ali Berry ready. Me feel violated. Me feel like gonna rape me. Sure.
Some are dirty bongo. But you too.
Again.
How you want mix with that people? They need you my grill mix. But me no mingle. Me no get in trouble with me no farm at dirty bongo. With me and dirty bongo, pass my dirty bongo, dirty bongo, dirty bongo, dirty bongo. Dirty bongo, dirty bongo. Them a dirty bongo, pass my dirty bongo. When I'm not with me, when I'm not with you, me a mackerel and mix, but me no mingle. Me no get in trouble with no dirty bongo, dirty bongo, dirty bongo, dirty bongo. Dirty bongo, dirty bongo. Them a dirty bongo, pass my dirty bongo. No, anything me say, no say dirty bongo. Anything me say, no say dirty bongo. If you go on bad mind, you a dirty bongo. And you go on envious, you a dirty bongo. You see the chopping a barrel, them a dirty bongo. And the dibby business, dirty bongo. Dirty bongo, dirty bongo, dirty bongo. Dirty bongo, dirty bongo. You're babbling a penny, a bubble too. I find your cock off and me that go cock off for you. Kick off and me that go kick off for you. Lick off and me that go lick off for you. Lick your back off and me that go back off for you. Find your ugly like a assy, ugly like a battle. Who a dirty bongo, dirty bongo, dirty bongo, dirty bongo. Dirty bongo. Dirty bongo, party man, dirty bongo. Who a dirty bongo, no what dirty bongo. You know hear what I want, no me don't hear nothing. Well me hear what I want, I go tell you we happy. You know hear say the young man that gone to prison. Get 25, get for the BDB people. Get 45, get for Godful people. But if you know say me jam mackerel, me a the type. I me grab and party with him, and me not hide. Dirty bongo, dirty bongo, dirty bongo. Who a dirty bongo, who know what dirty bongo. Dirty bongo, but them a dirty bongo. Dirty bongo, dirty bongo. When I'm not with you, when I'm not with you, you just mackerel and mix, but me no mingle. Me no get in tangle with the people. If you go on bad mind, me no win nothing with you. And you go on envious, me no win nothing with you. But who a dirty bongo? Dirty bongo, dirty bongo, buy you a dirty bongo. Dirty bongo, them a dirty bongo. When the people say me jam mackerel, me a the type. Up and the rhythm and me nah idle. Me not the dance, me say drink me Heineken out of bottle. Shut up, show the nozzle. Me jam mackerel, me a the type. Down the bread, nah idle. Me say love me, no some.
Yeah, right, but yeah, man, a she.
A she for real?
And a dirty bongo left.
Go up under my breast and under my I feel violated. A she for real? Then they couldn't send somebody better than a she. No. Tell me, say no, a she. No, sir, no. A she.
But who find you too?
Violated.
How you want mix with that people?
Oh.
They need to not with me.
No.
Me no mean Sit down on the window farm.
And she called me auntie. And she.
The dirty bongo.
Give me a dirty bongo, pass my dirty bongo, dirty bongo, dirty bongo. Dirty bongo, dirty bongo. Them a dirty bongo, pass my dirty bongo. When I'm not ready, when I'm not ready, me the mackerel and me the me no get this bongo, with no dirty bongo, dirty bongo, dirty bongo, dirty bongo. Dirty bongo, dirty bongo. Them a dirty bongo, pass my dirty bongo. Anything me say, uno say dirty bongo. Anything me say, uno say dirty bongo. If you go on bad mind, you a dirty bongo. And you go on envy, you a dirty bongo. You see the top in a barrel, them a dirty bongo. And the big business, dirty bongo. Dirty bongo, dirty bongo, dirty bongo. The bongo, dirty bongo. You bubble in a penny, a bubble too. And find your poke off, and the made a go poke off for you.
Yes. Last meal.
Lick off and the made a go lick off.
Neil.
Lick your back off and the made a go back off for you. When you ugly like a ass, you ugly like a pato. Who a dirty bongo, dirty bongo, dirty bongo.
Extra Neil. With that way you son come violate me. At that.
Dirty bongo. Dirty bongo, party man, dirty bongo. Who a dirty bongo, oh no what dirty bongo. You know hear what I want, no me don't hear nothing. When me hear what I want, I go tell you what happened. You know hear say the young man let go out of prison. Get 25 years for the BFF'S people. Get 45 years for God full people. But when no say me jam when me a get tired. I me grab and party with them and me nah hide. Dirty bongo, dirty bongo, dirty bongo. Who a dirty bongo, oh no what dirty bongo. Dirty bongo, but them a dirty bongo, dirty bongo, dirty bongo.
Big up on yourself, kings and queens. We're out of here. You hear? Yeah, man. Master Baker on Saturday. You hear?
They got beautiful people.
Big up on yourself. Yeah, we're going to block you, angry face them after
Yeah,
they
man.
come off.
We're going to cement them.
Yeah, then come over here. I don't know what them angry for. Like, I mean, did fool them and tell them some travel gonna away. Like, I mean, did fool them. I mean did fool them. I mean, to tell them about imaginary 4 houses. No,
I know
what am I getting mad for?
No, them whole leap alive.
Yeah, and I mean, they tell them some bad girl and me a boss or all this. And I mean, what I vex her? Yeah, and me for vex. After me see what she said come violate my body.
Right.
Me vex. Yeah, me vex. Because see me doctor, because I feel violated. Violated. Yeah, with that. They could have sent somebody cute. I mean, I feel like a bit better, although I not go there. Did I feel better? You know, if I Ali Berry look alike or something. That the big old cow that they sent for me. Big old dog, you know, and I'm not even.
That's why she calls herself Bulldog, man.
No, but that the dog, he look him, he look like a wolf dog, not even bulldog, wolf dog.
No, man, you're insult wolf dog.
It's a say, no, sir. Me see that did I go on, sir? No, sir. Anyways, I love you guys.
Love you guys.
Have a blessed night.
Have a blessed night.
All right.
Take care of yourself.
Love all of y'all.
Yes, man.
Big up on yourself. Big up some people.
Yeah, man. Keep on yourself safe.
I feel violated. I need to go, man. I don't understand. Jesus, violated. I look on the same thing. I said, Jesus Christ, I didn't go for me auntie. No, sir. No lie.
Monique.
No blood clean. What?
Big up, Monique.
Big up yourself, Michelle. Big up yourself.
Deirdre
Lewis. Big up yourself.
Jennifer.
Ashley. Big up yourself.
Antoinette.
Big up yourself. Big up. No man, when me see something it frighten me, you know, and especially one around the table, I said, box, no sir, that. No, I'm not gonna warn me. I'm not wicked. Yeah, I'm not wicked. Yeah, me see pitch stamp. Yeah, me say, no sir.
Frightened.
And that come for me and go up and, no sir. Could they tell me? No.
Chanel.
Yeah, Chanel, big up yourself, Chanel. Charmaine, big up yourself. Althea, big up yourself. Laurel, big up yourself. Teresia, big up yourself. Big up on yourself. Big up on a nice, clean self.
Yes, man.
Yes.
Bless up yourself. Sharda,
big up yourself. Tina, big up yourself. Big up on yourself. Yes. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Me as a people, she couldn't come for me. You say, if I'm me alone, yeah, but once you bring in my husband and my daughter, and then I have nothing to do with. What go down? You cross the line. You're nobody not off limit. Yeah. You shouldn't do it. Yeah. Come for that. Yeah. Because of that. Yeah. 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 Love you guys. Have a blessed night.
Yes, man. Love you. Pick up on yourself.
No, I send somebody for my auntie. No, send somebody better than that. Not Jesus
Yeah,
Christ.
man.
No,
And I know if you do better.
Good night, people. So on a Saturday, as Master Baker here, pick up on yourself.
Yeah, man. Pick up yourself. Take care. Have a blessed week.